Welcome to today's lesson. In this session, we're going to explore how to save places and create personalized lists on Google Maps. Whether you're planning a trip, organizing your favorite spots, or keeping track of places you want to visit, Google Maps makes it easy to create and manage your own lists. Let's dive in. We'll start with list labeling. In Google Maps, you can label places that are important to you, like your home and work. These appear under the Saved section at the bottom of your screen. By default, you have two options: Home and Work. These labels help you quickly find your way back home or get fast directions to your workplace from anywhere. You can create additional labels for places you visit often, like gym or favorite cafe. To do this, tap on the Add button and type in the address. These labels make it easier to find routes and manage your daily routine. When you search, these labeled locations appear at the top of your results, just below the search bar. Labeled places are great, but imagine you're planning a weekend trip or a business trip to a city you've never visited before. You want to make the most of your time by having a list of all the must-see attractions, best restaurants, co-working spaces, and interesting sites. Google Maps offers a fantastic feature for this: creating and saving personalized lists. To do this, search for locations you're interested in. Let's say you're looking for restaurants in Lisbon. First, move on the map to the location. Use the search bar to find restaurants in this area. Open business profiles, review the cuisine, and choose your favorites. Here, you'll see the Save button, which allows you to add this location to a list. Google Maps provides several default lists where you can save locations. Favorites, for places you really enjoy or visit frequently. Starred, for important or interesting places you want to easily locate later. Want to go, for spots you plan to visit in the future. Travel plans, for itineraries and must-see locations. You can add spots to one of the default lists, or you can create a special list only for this trip, one that highlights the best restaurants in the city. Here's what you do. Tap on the New List button at the top of the screen. Name your list something like Restaurants in Lisbon and add a description if you'd like. Choose an icon that represents your list, such as an octopus, because what better describes the cuisine of this country? As you explore and find new places, you can add them to this custom list. When you're planning your next adventure, you can prepare such lists in advance. It will save you time and help you focus on enjoying the experience. Custom lists aren't just for food. They're useful for everyday life, too. You can make lists for various interests, like art galleries, hiking trails, favorite shopping spots, or sports studios. All these lists are easy to manage. You can edit, delete, or hide them from your map. With these tools, Google Maps becomes a powerful way to organize your favorite places and plan your outings. Try setting up your lists and labels today, and see how it can enhance your travel and daily activities.